Howdy.
We'll have to work on our
safety protocols?
No, on our intros.
No, because I'm driving. I got phone in the face. Phone in the face.
But we're going here. You hold it. Well, yeah. Not too far. Okay, so we're going to get some lunch right now. And Vincent said we always film when we're eating, which is true.
I know.
But that's just when we go and do stuff. But tonight we're going to go to a bonfire out at my mom's house. And it's going to be on the beach and really pretty. So we'll bring y'all along with us.
And what are we going to roast?
Marshmallows.
And what are we going to make?
Well, I want to make s'mores.
Yeah, that's going to be good.
It's going to be delicious.
It's finally got a cold front coming through, so it's nice and...
Yeah, it's so cold.
Chilly.
But I need to get some... I might need to get a turtleneck or something.
I know.
Bundle up.
All right, bundlers.
Okay, let's go get some Chinese.
All right, bye. We'll show y'all. Okay.
But I guess it's on 2 hours.
Yeah, we still got a little bit. All right.
So, I didn't realize you were filming. So we're going to go into Piggly Wiggly.
Piggly what?
Piggly Wiggly. And see if we can find something to take to the cookout tonight. I know what we should do while we wait for our...
What happened? There was no marshmallows.
Oh yeah, we went into Piggly Wiggly and we couldn't find any marshmallows, so maybe everybody got them for Halloween.
Maybe. Well, we can pick them up at Harris.
Yeah, anywhere. But we have a little tip on relationships right now.
Oh, do we?
Yeah.
What is that?
So you know how, like, if you want somebody to do something but you can't decide who's gonna do it,
right?
What do? Like when we turn off the lights at night.
Oh, rock, paper, scissors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you can solve a lot of things with rock, paper, scissors.
That's exactly right.
Can't you? But who always wins?
You do. You win 9 out of 10 times.
Let's do it right now.
Best 2 out of 3.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah!
Goddamn. I always win.
Yeah, but that's what we do.
Yep.
So whoever loses has to go turn the lights off at night. So
who needs a clapper when you've got Vincent who loses the rock, paper, scissors game? We're going to our bonfire.
Bonfire, look at that.
But first we must stop at Ferris Teeter and get some goodies.
And get some goodies? You're gonna be in our vlog.
There he goes. We're the cautious ones. Those are some big antlers.
That's what I'm saying. He's a big one. We need one of those stabilizers.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, look at the moon coming.
Cool. Are you excited for some marshmallows, Vincent?
Yes, I am.
Let's go do it.
Look how beautiful that is. Oh my God. That's not even exaggerating. It's like one of the prettiest times I've ever been out here. So I'm out, well, first, happy Halloween! So I'm out at my mom's house and we're going to set up like a little trick-or-treating table and we're gonna make some treat bags for the little kids. So come along, it's gonna be fun. We finished our trick-or-treating setup, but hopefully it doesn't fly away. Oh no, You can't see all the decorations because the wind's flapping. Oh, here it goes. There's some spider webs and some bats and some really good candy. And a skull. I think we did pretty good. There you go. There's the full version. My mom and I worked hard on it, so hopefully we get some trick-or-treaters. We've never really had trick-or-treaters before, so. But she's gonna post on the Nextdoor app and see if we can have some come get our good candy. I put ring pops and Hershey's and sour straws. Basically every candy I would have liked as a kid to get in a basket. So, okay, I hope y'all enjoyed that. I'm gonna sit here and have some extra sour straws. We had our first trick-or-treater. Yeah, I'm thinking so too. It's been 30 minutes and we've only had one. We're about to turn on a strobe light or maybe a bat signal to get some, or move to the street corner. Get one of those arrow signs and start twirling it. Trick or treat over here. Oh, I'll update you in another 30 minutes. 30 minutes later. So it's been 30 minutes later and we've had 3 trick-or-treaters. And I turned on some Halloween tunes to attract them over here. Mama's sitting with me, but do you want to be on camera?
No,
Okay. I didn't think you did. But we're having fun. It's pointing towards me. She was trying to pop it and it's pointing towards me. Did you think I was just showing a column? Okay. Well, hopefully we get some more. But we're having fun no matter what, right, Mama?
We're having a great time.
Yeah.
Good time.
I hope everybody else is having a happy Halloween. We've had 8 trick-or-treaters. Woo, 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 woo.